experiments to show air pressure. This is funnel and this is a and blow here. Try. Hard. Try. Try and try. But you failed. But you failed to pop out this ball, isn't it? He failed. Ball is not popping out. Anyone you wish to? Yes, you come. Yes, come here. You come here and try it. Blow hard. Anyone? Yes. Yes, you come.
We exert forcefully pressure in the lower end of the funnel. When we exert forcefully pressure, the air present inside the funnel we passes through the air, so it creates a vacuum in that area. As we know that air moves through high pressure to low pressure, so the atmospheric pressure is exerting high pressure, and thus the pressure low in the narrow area of the funnel, it cannot go upward, as the high pressure of atmosphere is acting downward.
Correct? Do you follow? Yes, all of you? Any other comment? Okay. So this glass vacant without any water, and put the card on the mouth of the glass. Hold it and invert it, and slowly remove your hand. Slowly remove your hand. Yes. It. Now, who will give the explanation? Why this card falling downward?
There is present air inside the glass. So when we put the paper, there is also air in the glass. But there is the maximum air in the glass, as it is stored inside it, and the air pressure outside is low than the air pressure stored in the glass. So when we release our hand slowly, the air pressure which is maximum in the glass pressure exerts pressure downward. So the paper is falling downward.
Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Go. So now what is within the glass? Water. How much? Half glass water. And put the card mouth of the glass. Come here. And slowly invert. Invert. And slowly remove your hand. Yes. Hold it. So is it possible? Yes. So here this card is not falling. Okay. Good. Go. No, full glass water. Full glass water. Full glass water. Yes. See here. See here. She is doing. So when there was half glass water, the card did the card fall? And now you are taking, and now
the card doesn't fall.
second,
The card doesn't fall.
and so if you take half glass water, the card will not fall, and if you take a full glass water, card will not. Now give explanation of this.
In case the glass is filled with half water and half air, and we put the paper on the glass, and the water and air in the glass creates a downward pressure here, and to equilibrium the pressure, the air present outside of the glass creates a pressure from the upward, and this pressure do not give the paper to fall. But
So-
the paper is not falling.
So nice. What does it prove? What does it prove?
Air pressure. It proves that air pressure.
Correct. Does this experiment prove air gives pressure? Yes. Okay. And in case of when you are taking full glass water, then
If we take full glass of the water, the pressure, the water pressure moves forward due to its mass, and the air outside is also pressure. That pressure to equilibrium that force. For this reason, the paper is not falling.
yes, and there is another term, surface tension.
Yes, sir.
Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
What is
Surface tension.
surface tension? Also plays a role here. You will later you will know about the surface tension. Okay. So is it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with the channel and subscribe the channel to get more videos.